Ever wondered why some people walk into a room and every head turns? They don't even speak, yet somehow they own the room. That's not magic, it's charisma. And the good news? You can learn it. Charisma isn't just for actors or CEOs, it's the secret sauce behind better relationships, career growth, and unforgettable first impressions. And no, you don't have to fake it, you just need to unlock it. Tip number 1, eye contact, but not creepy serial killer stare downs. Just 3 to 5 seconds of intentional warm eye contact tells people, I see you, I value you. That's power. Most people dart their eyes or overcompensate. Try this instead. Look at the person, pause, smile with your eyes. Tip number 2, stillness. Charismatic people don't fidget, they move with purpose. They pause when they speak. They take up space, not with volume, but with presence. If you're constantly shifting, scratching, or tapping, people sense nervous energy. Instead, pause, plant your feet. Let silence do the heavy lifting. Tip number 3, charismatic people make you feel like the only one in the room. They use your name, they mirror your energy, and they listen. Like really listen. Try this. When someone finishes talking, paraphrase what they said before you answer. It feels rare, and that makes you unforgettable. Tip number 4, ditch the look at me energy. Real charisma starts with curiosity. Ask thoughtful questions. Make others feel seen, and they'll naturally be drawn to you. It's not about dominating the room, it's about lighting it up, so everyone feels warmer with you in it. Bonus tip, adjust your inner dialogue. Say this before you enter a room: I'm here to connect, not impress. That tiny mindset switch changes everything. So which tip will you try first? Comment below. And if you want more ways to level up your confidence and presence, hit that like button and subscribe. You just took the first step to owning every room you walk into.